My name is Bhavna Bhatnagar and I am a ceramic artist from GTA. My journey for art started when I moved from India to Canada in 1989. I began my passion for art by joining Fanshawe College in London, Ontario. There I started learning decorative art and French paper tool art, which soon after finishing I started teaching in the community center over there. Then in 1993, I moved to Toronto, and my love for art and I was always fascinated by ceramics, so which made me go and join George Brown College, and from there I did ceramic arts diploma, which was for 2 years. Due to family circumstances, then I had to hold my passion for art and for ceramics for a few years. But I was not satisfied just being home, so I decided to go into a family entertainment business where I again carried my passion in giving the clay classes to the younger kids. But that also was not satisfactory for me, so I decided to sell the business and go back into my art. So then I decided to go and join Mississauga Potters Guild, where I was a member, and I also was exhibition coordinator there, and I also did chair the event for Living Arts Center through Mississauga Potters Guild. Since my childhood, I was always surrounded by music, art and dance, and the biggest inspiration for art was my mom, who was always there to inspire me, and always she would never let me sit idle. She would bring a canvas and the oil colors and then would make me sit and paint rather than do anything else. So I really think that my mom inspired me where I am today. Also, the state in India, which is called Rajasthan, Rajasthan is known for its history and colors, and I love colors. As you can see, I'm wearing colorful outfit here, and this is the painting which I would like to talk about. Not the painting, it's a mural actually, which I created, and it's all ethnic, about the ethnicity of India, or you can call Rajasthan, where this is what they wear. And that province is full of colors, vibrant colors, and I have tried to portray that in this couple. They are wearing a very ethnic costume and with lot of colors in it. As you will see in as you will see in all my work, always there is a color. So my interest is always towards the hand building over real, as this gives me more freedom to explore my creative dexterity and ability to manipulate my artwork, which gives a certain personality to my work, and I do find it makes my work more unique. I'm also a painter, which allows me to use a variety of techniques and color palettes in my work. Besides colors and my love for making ethnic pieces, I also enjoy making nature pieces as well. So this is one of my piece which was showcased in Living Arts Center. It was a juried exhibition where this was chosen as in the Hammers. It was actually displayed in the Hammerson Hall showcase. I have been doing clay workshops for children in Montessori's and schools, and also last year I opened my own studio in Brampton, where I have been giving workshops for all ages. Again, I would like to mention about my studio. It is in Brampton. You can go on my website, which is ceramicexpressions.ca, and the Facebook page is Ceramic Expressions Studio. Also, I have an Instagram page where you can go on is _ceramic expressions _. I also do commission work, so if anybody is interested, you can contact me in any of those, message me, or you can contact me on the website.